Sometimes you may set your hometown on your Facebook profile, but others say they can't see your hometown on your profile. That's because you may have set it so that only you can see it, so others won't be able to see it. In this video, we'll show you how to solve this problem. For this, open the Facebook app. After that, at the top you can see your profile photo, tap on it. When you tap on that, here you'll see your profile name. Tap on it. When you tap on that, here you'll see personal details, and under that you'll see current city and hometown. Anyway, next to personal details you can see a pencil-like button. Tap on this button. When you tap on that, here you can see hometown. Hometown is the second one, next to it you can see a home sign. Anyway, just tap on the pencil button next to it. When you tap on that, here you can see your hometown. But if you haven't set it yet, on the first page you'll see the hometown option. Just tap on hometown, and you can set it from here. Anyway, after that I'm selecting this hometown. After that, here you can see who can see this. Just tap on it. Sometimes it will be set to only me. That means only you can see it. That's why others aren't able to see it. If you want others to see this, you can select public. That means everyone can see it. But if you want only friends to see it, you can select friends. Or if you want friends of friends to see it, you can select that. And if you want only close friends to see it, you can select close friends too. Anyway, you can set it according to your need. Anyway, I'm selecting public. After that, tap on the Done button. When you tap on that, the settings will be saved. After that, here you can see the Save button. Tap on the Save button. When you tap on that, it will be visible to everyone. And after that, they're asking whether you want to post it in your feed. If you want it to appear in your feed, you can tap on Share. If you don't want to, just tap on the back button. When you tap on that, it will be set. Now here you can see it is set to public. So this way you can easily solve the problem. Hope this video was helpful for you. If you found it helpful, consider subscribing. See you in the next video.